learn some skill, try to refresh myself. At home, when there are things that needs to be repaired, I can do hands-on myself. I don't have to spend reason prices, just engage contractors.
Reduce wastage and do more cycling and repair.
With plastic gathering and the bio-waste increasing, I think personally it's really important that we start being more hands-on with our appliances and we start looking at the culture of reusing, rebuilding. It's a lot less intimidating dealing with appliances.
Sure, it was quite experiential learning. Have the right tools and also must be willing to do it.
Yes, don't be scared, just do it.
It's a good investment, so you do not need to waste money to employ people outside.
这里学到的很多东西是我在家里所需要到的，好像水龙头啦、热的东西啦，很多很多，自己学自己做，不用去浪费钱啦，因为外面 charge 得很贵，不会说还了很多钱，但是你学到东西，你又不需要说哦，是不是都叫外面叫人家来做，太贵了，太贵了，很贵很贵。
Great to meet a crowd of people that are on a similar boat, but all keen to learn.
Good couple bonding time.
很好，学得到很多东西。
Most likely I'll be seeing them again. Definitely. Yeah, I think it's very useful.